Whoa! A beauty contest? Yep, I'm in. Ugh! I don't want any hair left on this face. Earwax be gone. Ugh. Whoa. Oh boy, I'm gonna be sick. You'll definitely win now. Obviously. Oh! I have some beauty hacks too, you know. And it won't cost me a dime. See how resourceful I am? This banana is more than just breakfast. Make sure to smudge it a bit. Doesn't it look good? Now for a pop of color. Talk about a nice purple hue. This glow is looking very good. I'm ready for my close-up. Time for a little hair braiding action. Just need one little section here, then place it into these little hooks. Now hold on tight, gorgeous hairs. You're going for a ride. Second piece, done. And the third. Whoa! Look at this thing go! Why would I ever bother using my hands? This thing is doing all the hard work for me, and not a single tangle in sight. Almost finished. Just have to secure these bad boys. You're not going anywhere, you hear? There. My hair is looking fabulous. And this headband's the perfect touch. I'm so talented. The bathroom trip was definitely necessary. I feel like a brand new woman. Okay now, where was I here? Whoa! Where'd Naomi get all those braids? I wish I had some. This isn't my face, is it? My hair is so lame. Ooh. My toilet paper! I can work with this. I just have to fold it into a thin strip. Almost there. Now that that's done, fold it once more, just like this. Now I've gotta do the really tricky part. There! Time to get curling! Start at the bottom and roll it up to the top. Keep going. Then tie it together up here at the top. Make sure it's nice and tight. I think they're all nice and secured. How long is this gonna take? Ugh, I'm so bored. Gotta get my blood moving somehow. Yes! They're ready! Ooh! A curl! Just a few more strands to go. And… wow! Look at these gorgeous curls, baby! Like I just stepped out of a salon! Wait, is this used? Maybe no one will notice. Wow, look at that candy! I sure would love a piece of that. But I'm stuck with what I brought from home. Oh well. The old cocoa and yogurt trick. Tastes good, but it's totally boring. It's fine. Your lunch, Miss Naomi. Ugh, just go. Wow, a hand-delivered lunch on a silver platter? It's for my makeup routine, silly. First comes the foundation. This brush puts it all on really smooth. It's way better than just using your hands. See how it just blends into the skin? It's the only way I ever put on makeup anymore. Okay, I think that's about right. Oh. So fun to watch! Oh! I really made a mess here, didn't I? Wait a minute. I can't just use my hands. What can I use? Oh! That egg is nice and smooth, right? I'll just borrow this for a second. Hey, may as well give it a try, right? This thing actually works like a makeup sponge. It's way smoother than the fingers. Good thing this yogurt matches my skin tone. Well, how do I look, Naomi? Wait, I can't see you. Are you giving me a thumbs up? Wait, are you giving me a thumbs down? Oh, your egg! I can explain. Ugh, how did that thing get in there? It's okay. This thing will turn everything around. I'm ready. Come on, is anything happening? I don't feel like it's moving. Is it gone? Ooh! Time for a good brushing. And I need lots of extra toothpaste. Ah, feeling fresher already. Purple be gone. Man, I sure love this thing. Look at these gorgeous pearly whites. Ooh, what's inside this pretty gold box? Something sparkly, I hope? I think I can add sparkle to my mouth. Just gotta open my top lip here. There! I'm ready for some jewels. The front teeth seem deserving enough. Or maybe every tooth. Well, what do you think? Totally! I love them! So gorgeous! Your teeth could really use some help. So yellow. Naomi? Wake up! Come on, wake up, Naomi! Please! Anybody home in there? Hello? Naomi! Do I need to call for help? Ooh, is someone eating rotten eggs? Hey! What's wrong? It's your mouth. Ugh, so embarrassing. I do have a toothbrush, you know. I'll just do a quick little brush. Ugh, these bristles sure are stiff. Better? Nope. Aw, man. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. Don't mind me, Grandma. Just gonna borrow these for 2 minutes. Phew. Look at these pearly whites. Do they fit? Ooh, a little stiff. Well, what do you think? They suit my face, right? It's okay to be jealous. I sure hope my eyeliner's in here. Only one way to see everything. There, that's better. Found it! I just need to make a small little wing. Oh, are they even? What about now? Why is this so hard? It's an emergency. Okay. It's always something with her. Here you go. Let's start again, shall we? Oh, it's here. No more messy eyeliner for me. Not with this handy-dandy tool. Just a couple more steps here. And there! Did they light up? Pretty awesome, right? It's like fancy robot makeup or something. Fit for a queen. Yay! Ooh! I've got some gadgets and gizmos too. Let's see here. Anything good? I forgot I had all that paint. Okay, these pencils will definitely work. Ooh! Forgot about my glasses. Okay, it's just me, or is this stuff invisible? It's hopeless. I'll never have pretty eye makeup like Naomi. I'll just use this paint on paper. Wait! The answer's been here the entire time! Paint the corner of a plastic Ziploc bag. Use multiple colors just like this. Now for the fun part. Just press it right against the eyelid. Now for the other corner of the eye. Does it look cool? That would be an absolute yes! Mine's better. Whatever. Mine's awesome. Seriously? Ugh. Wow. Check out those luscious lips. Mine will never look that good. They're just so ordinary and flat. Come on, plunk her up! Will they get any fatter here? Why would this top one stay juicy? Ugh. I'll just make them stick that way. Who wouldn't want to kiss these lips? Ugh. Nobody would. Some suction ought to help me. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. What do I do? This thing is really stuck on her! Okay. This is hopeless. Oh. Phew. Wait. My lips! They feel so plump. I can't believe that hack actually worked. Oh, so delicious. I've never felt so attractive. Well, if it works on lips, may as well plump up this derriere. Yeah! Anything? Come on! Such a weirdo. Anyway, let's see what I've got in here. It's so adorable! Come here, little guy. Aren't you just the softest? Come here. Hold him. Anyway, this is what I was hoping for. And look, the mask is like a kitty. Ooh, it feels nice on my skin. The perfect fit. But what about my sweet little fingers? Or should I say, paws? Meow! This feels amazing. I could almost let out a little purr. But I won't. Wow, check out these beautiful plump lips. Mwah! Nice, right? But we can do even better. See? Wow, let me try! Hey, not bad! Let's do this! Hi there. I know, I look fabulous. Take a picture. It'll last longer. I've never done this before. Wow, so much attention! Like my hair, I did it myself. So, which look do you like more? Well. This is a tough one, isn't it? Wait, who are they talking about? So, it's decided then? Great. Alright, ladies. We've decided. Well, make that one winner. And another winner. This beauty contest is a tie! Hey, we'll take it! Think you could win a beauty contest? Turns out you may not need as much money as you think to win one. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos.